I'm Andino. My real name is Aldren Santos. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator based in Bataan. Beyond the canvas, I'm fascinated with ordinary people's behaviors, street culture, and humor hidden in plain sight. Sa isa siyang park, nakakita ko ng couples na sobrang effort silang kumuha ng selfie nila. And it was really cute. And naging inspiration yun sa isang piece ko before. Definitely sa Japan. Nung nag-travel kasi kami ng wife ko doon, nagustuhan talaga namin. And it would be a dream come true if I can showcase one of my pieces in Tokyo or in Osaka. Recently, nakikinig ako sa isang Japanese band na Man with a Mission. Not necessarily naintindihan ko yung lyrics, pero I think yung kanta nilang Fly Again, kasi yung vibes tsaka yung upbeat, I think co-complement with my art. Syempre yung mga fine brushes ko, kasi vast majority ng pieces ko, yung fine brush yung ginagamit ko, especially on my line art. I want people to feel instant fun and comfort when seeing my works. Kasi minsan yung most of the time nakaka-intimidate yung art. And my art is like leaning towards goofy cartoon approach. Hi everyone, we are inviting you to our two-man show here at TAD under Art Toys PH, titled Golden Leisure. Kita-kits!